Improve your English.
Someone special. Do you know anyone he is so very special that there is no one else like him or her? The answer is quite simple. It's you. Each one of you. In other words, everyone. Some people look alike, especially members of the same family. You may have heard older people say that you look like your mother, father, uncle, or aunt. Many brothers and sisters look alike. Some twins look so similar that they are called identical twins. Each person's is different from others. Some people have curly hair, some have straight hair. Some are fair, some are dark. Some have brown eyes, some have blue eyes, some have green. Some are tall, some are short. We use characteristics like these to decide whether two persons look alike or different. But people who are alike, who look almost the same, even identical twins, are not exactly the same. Each of these persons is different from others in some respects. Each person's fingerprint is unique. Look at your palm and especially the tips of your fingers closely. You will see very fine lines forming patterns. Smear your finger or thumb with colored ink and then press it on a piece of paper. You will see the lines of the tip of your finger printed on the paper. It is your fingerprint. You can make a handprint in the same way. Each person's fingerprint is unique. There are millions of people in the world, but each person has a different fingerprint. Isn't it amazing? Isn't it good to be a special person whom no one else can copy?